Okay, I'm gonna try this tomato and basil. Let me get in the light. Tomato and basil flatbread from Daily Harvest. Apparently you have to bake it for 20-25 minutes, so let's try this. Don't mind this pan, it has been through a lot. So it comes in a wrapped packaging, as you can see. It's all snug and tight on that bread. This one has broccoli, tomato, kale, onion, basil, and black garlic. And if you look at the side of the package, you can see that it's 1 serving per box, and it's about 340 calories per serving. I set my oven to 450? This is me not cooking ever. Ah! All right, let's put her in. All right, this looks good and hot. I think I'm gonna cut it instead of just trying to use it as like one big piece in my mouth. Pretty much any excuse to get like the jumbo knife out. Super hot. I mean, it looks super yummy and tastes good, healthy, but good.